Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to AnonymousSushi. So today I'm gonna be making a Shrimplovers sushi roll today. The ingredients I will be using today is some imitation crab meat, cucumber, some regular shrimp, and then some tiger shrimp I made with tempura. Normally I would be putting an avocado on top, but I couldn't really find a ripe one, so I'm gonna kind of pass on that one for today. Okay, some rice, some leftover multi-grain rice. I guess I'll just be using that to get rid of it, and then some regular Japanese seaweed. All right, so guys, let's begin. Welcome back to AnonymousSushi, and since I showed you guys all the ingredients and prep on what I'm going to be using, I'm going to begin right away. So I have my seaweed here with with the rough side facing up and then the shiny side facing down. Okay, so I'm not really sure how this is gonna work with this rice I made because it's not white rice and it's not as starchy as you guys can see, so it might be a little bit more difficult to actually make. But you know what? Here goes to nothing, right? I mean that, and I really do have a lot of extra ingredients, I guess, not used. So, all right, guys. So I'm gonna try using this multi-grain rice over here. And generally, the reason why multi-grain rice does not work as good is because it's not as starchy, so it won't stick, I guess you could say. But hey, looks like this is actually kind of working. So you know what? I think we'll be okay, guys. All right, so have my rice down. I'm gonna flip it over now. I'm gonna put in my ingredients. So I'm gonna put in a little bit of cucumber just because I want to add a little crunch and texture to this. So I guess this Shrimplovers roll, it's my style, I guess, on it, really, more or less. It might not be the same as what you guys normally see. It's imitation crab meat. Put that on top. I'm going to be putting 2 pieces of my tiger shrimp tempura. So some very nice tiger shrimp. Okay, and then normally I guess I would put in a little bit of avocado too, but considering it's not ripe, I'm gonna have to pass on that, unfortunately. All right, so now I have that. I'm gonna roll my sushi up. Wow, so I'm pretty surprised too, guys. So it's working better than I expected. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna put my regular cooked shrimp. If you guys want to see how to make shrimp, how to clean shrimp, devein shrimp, I do have a video on my YouTube, so you guys can check that out. It's a quick little tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna put on top of my sushi, I'm gonna put 5 pieces on top, just like that. And then now I'm actually gonna take a little bit of a plastic wrap on top, some saran wrap. So this is gonna help us tighten our sushi, reshape it, and keep the shape while we have all of our ingredients on top. So it's okay how this comes out. If it's not perfect, that's alright. Okay, so that's why we have our bamboo mat. It's gonna help us reshape it. So guys, if you guys do have an avocado, I would recommend maybe putting a little bit on top. It makes it look a lot nicer, adds a little color to it, and it tastes really good. But like I said, it's no ripe avocado. So, all right, now I'm gonna cut this into 8 pieces. Okay. Sorry, I kind of forgot to take off 1 or 2 of the tails. Ugh. Okay, so once that's done, we're gonna reshape it once with our bamboo mat. take off the plastic. Okay, so the plastic is, honestly, it's really helpful. It helps keep the sushi in shape, and you're going to get something good out of it. Alright guys, so to plate this. Okay, and then this is what we got. This is my style of a Shrimplovers sushi roll. It's very delicious, guys. Okay, and once it's done, I'll give you a little close look on it. Okay. So a piece of the shrimp fell off, but oh well. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put 2 pieces of shrimp in the center. Alright guys, and so here is the close-up. This is my style of a Shrimplovers sushi roll, I guess. Okay, so what I did was I put a little cucumber bed on the bottom, and I put some shrimp on top. Unfortunately, the shrimp isn't standing, but yeah. And then a little bit of eel sauce and some sesame for garnish. But yeah, it's Shrimplovers sushi roll. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, you know, please click down, like, and subscribe, and share this video to anybody you guys might know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys.